Hello and welcome. This is my first video for 2023. I'm Zophie, sorta. That's not really my real name, but let's just go with it. I sorta said I wasn't gonna do too much sponsored content this year, and we'll see how that goes. If something comes along where I can't refuse it, like petting my cat, then I'm gonna take it. So for review today, I have cat glove wipes. Yep, cat glove wipes by Hicc. H-I-C-C. Maybe they prefer to be called H-I-C-C Groom. At this point, you're like, just get on with it and tell us what the gloves do. So these are a skin, antimicrobial, and deodorizing treatment. But the main reason I was interested in them is they're also for cleansing. I don't know if you've ever tried to cleanse a cat, as in give it a bath. It's a wonderful experience for both of us. Let's see if I can figure out some really simple instructions.
The liquid is here. The gloves feel like they're here. The picture shows this line going vertically, like this. So I'm guessing I fold it this way.
And then I have to squeeze. Apparently there's like a middle tunnel, and you have to squeeze pretty hard. I have no strength, so this is not going easily for me. Oh, I just felt it squirt. Now that I have all the liquid where the gloves are, I'm supposed to leave it like that for 30 seconds so it can saturate.
30 seconds later.
Okay, so I'm gonna tear here, pull out the gloves. Oh, it's just one glove. I thought it was two. It's pretty saturated. It's leaking everywhere. It's really soggy. There's a cleansing side. And then there's a massaging side. Ah, okay. I'm gonna start with the cleansing side. I'm guessing this part you don't want to put on the cat's eyes and stuff. Not like on the eyes, near the eyes. So I'm gonna start with this side. Come here, kitty. Come here, Nala. Come here. Let's get cleansed. Come. Come here. Let me cleanse you now. Come. Over here. Come here. We can stretch later. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is working so well. She's resisting. She's resisting the cleansing. Don't resist the cleansing. I'm gonna clean around the eyes. Now we're gonna get your ears. Come here. We're gonna get your ears and then your butthole. You're really enjoying this, aren't you? Yeah, because that's a really dirty spot. Oh, I've never touched your butthole before. This is a whole new experience for both of us. Come back. Oh, but the fun is not over yet, Nala. Come back. I gotta massage you. No, Mom, not right now. Mom, Mom, come on, I gotta massage you. I have to massage you. You wanna get massaged? You wanna get massaged? I'll take that as a yes. Prepare to get cleansed. Like this. It's okay, we can cleanse over here. We're gonna cleanse your fur like this. You look so happy. That means you're happy. Yeah, that means you're... Yes. This is a massage. You're enjoying this. We're having a good time. Oh, now you're purring. See, it's not so bad. You were all afraid for nothing. This is where all your dandruff is. And I gotta do this in the opposite direction of the hair growth, which cats always love. At least she's not running away anymore. I don't even know how long I'm supposed to do this for. I'll just keep going until she runs away. And we're done. They also sent me this spray, so I'll go ahead and unbox this right now. That does not have a seal on it, so do be careful with this open bottle. Okay, and I don't really know if I want to use it quite yet, because this is more for like hard to heal wounds, cuts, burns, hot spots, redness, sores, and skin irritations. At most, she's got a little bit of dandruff on her back, so it's not like a huge skin irritation. Maybe I'll spray a little bit. I'm sure she will love that. She loves getting sprayed with the water bottle when she's being naughty. Let's give it a little squirt. This is mostly to see how she reacts, because she doesn't really need it. I'm just gonna give it a little squirt right here. All right, but back to the gloves. I used these wipes 2 days in a row, and here's how it went. No! I'm not done massaging you. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come here.
So these cat glove wipes, they only have 2 ingredients: hypochlorous acid, 0.015%, and deionized water.
Maybe she feels the little bit of wetness that's on here. And everyone knows cats love getting wet. She's purring though. Getting the ears has been quite a struggle.
Getting the paws was impossible, so I'm not even gonna show that. It was a total fail.
But look at that. They're a little dirty. She had some nasty little ears. Ooh, I didn't realize how dirty they were until now. So it might take her a little time to get used to these. Let's move on to the results. So here are the pictures of her fur before I did any of this. There's a little bit of dandruff on her backside. This next set of pictures was taken after 1 use of the gloves. I'm gonna post both pictures so you can kind of see if there's a difference. And here is the final result. So this is her fur after 2 treatments. I'm not sure how many of these I'm gonna have to do, and I'm not even sure how often I'm supposed to do it, but it does look like it's doing something. So if this is something that you're interested in, there'll be a link down below in the video's description. So that's it. Toodaloo-dee-loo.